Good morning. This is the third exercise in lecture number 9. Our intention is to create the model and make the orthographic views. So if you want, you can make the third view also, but by making the two view itself, the model is clear. Anyway, we will do all the three models. So let us start. So we will make this cross section on the front plane and extrude 34 symmetrically. Then we will make this cut. This is a very easy, and here also we can make a cut. Let us do that. So right click here, select a new component, then go here, turn on the origin, and the front plane, right click, create a sketch. Just to draw a center point arc first of all. Arc, center point arc. Start from the origin here. Draw a center point arc. Then draw our shape. Okay, it is something like this. Then we can give collinear. First of all, we want to ensure that both the lines are collinear. So select this line. Two lines we will make collinear. Then we will do coincident. This line is coincident at origin. Now let us check the next dimension. This is R10. So let us give here R10. This is R10. Total is 60. So from here it is 18. So first we will give 18. So from here to this point it is 18. And the total is 60. We'll just modify the shape. Okay. We'll give the dimension here. This dimension is so we'll take this also 13. That particular dimension is not given, I think. So we'll take it as 13. $36. Then one more dimension we have to give. 25. Then we can arrange the dimension properly. So only this dimension is a missing dimension, 13 in this view. Finish sketch. Then we will extrude symmetrically. How much is the height? This is 34. Symmetrically we will extrude symmetric whole length, and this is 34. Now let us make a cut over this face. Create a sketch, draw a rectangle. Just draw a line and make it symmetry. Select the line. Okay, there is a problem. Okay, what we will do is we will create a point here, the middle of this, then horizontal, vertical. You can select this point and this center point here. Then we will give two dimensions, 14 and 13. This is 14. This is 13. Finish sketch. Extrude, cut, extrude. This, change the direction. Then you can change the extent to all. Then OK. Now we can draw this on this face. Create a sketch. Draw line. Make a closed sketch. Make a closed sketch. Then give the dimensions 8. Here also one dimension is not given. So let us assume. So this is 8. Now let us assume from here it was okay, we can check the dimension whether it is not given here, it is not given here also, but one thing is we know here it is 18, so we will reduce 1 mm. So here there is a gap, will give us 17. We should not assume any dimension. If any missing dimension is there, we have to clarify, but there is no provision for clarifying the dimension, so I am using this. So this is 18. So how much will be our 34 minus 18 by 2? So extrude 34 minus 18. So we will we'll give like this, bracket, open bracket, 34 minus 18 close bracket divided by 2. Sorry, this direction must be changed, reverse, edit feature. So minus of, so we'll give minus of, cut, then OK. Now we can mirror it. Create, mirror. So select the feature first, go here, select feature, then select the extrude feature from here, then mirror plane, go to YZ. Which plane is that? So how to check that one? So this is XZ plane, so we can select XZ plane, sorry, select the mirror plane, XZ plane, then OK. So this is the model. So we can check any other. So here we have a hidden line. So this is the because of this hidden line, and these two hidden lines are because of this edge. There are no other features. So this drawing is finished. You can save it. Save this. So some name we have to give. Okay, just what block. Give some name, block. Just you can give some name and location. Actually we have saved the previous drawing under temp folder, so we'll select the temp, then we will save it. Save. Now you can see that the block name is changed to block. Now we can open our drawing sheet. So go here, new drawing from design, then select here A4 sheet, A4 210 by 297, then OK. So sometime it may take a little bit of time to open the sheet. So for this particular exercise we will create three views. One is front view, top view, and we will either select right side view or left side view. So we will select right side view. So almost done. So we got the sheet. You can now you will get the base view. So go here, as I told you, you select the top view. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to take always top view, but normally we will make the section view from the top. So here we are not going to make any section view. So just place the view properly. You can fit here, then place the view. So we are going to place the right side view, so a little bit on to the this side. Okay, so click here, then we will turn on the visible edges also, hidden edges also, then OK. Now we will go to this option here, projected view, then select the view and place one view, that is right side view, on the left side. Enter, press enter key, then again drawing view, projected view, select this top view and place as front view, then enter. So now we got all the three views. Okay. Now we can give all the dimensions. Linear dimension from here to here, how much it is. So we will check one by one the dimension how it is given. Similar way we will give. So here 18 and 34 14. (18) 34, this is 14. Now we will give center line for this, center mark for this circle. Then we will give dimension, linear dimension for this particular edge also we will give 13. Then from here to the center point we will give the dimension as this. Then here also this dimension. Check what are all the dimensions. Here 8, (25). Then here radius dimension, this radius dimension here. So this dimension also we will determine now. So that missing dimension we are going to add to our drawing. (13, 14, 60, 18, 34, 18). Okay, now we will just arrange the dimension properly. So that's it. We can save the drawing or we can output the PDF. So let us say how to do that. Here you can see one thing is that some few details are getting here. Remaining things we will add later. We will learn how to do that. Okay, let us not do anything here. Here there are a lot of space also. Okay, let us don't worry about this. Just complete this. Then you can go here, output PDF. Then OK. Then you can give a name and save to your location so that you will get a PDF drawing of it. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. So we will